Day 2.
Hi, day 2. We survived day 1.
Animal Kingdom is where we're headed. So today's shirts are
Kuna Matata?
and Scar, because we all have that crazy, creepy uncle that you get a certain age and he no longer wants to make home movies with you.
Oh my god, you didn't just say that.
What?
Okay. Wow.
So we're heading to the depot.
Yeah. 7:30.
Catch the shuttle. Park opens at 9. Probably do more videos of us heading in there and show you the views. The exciting rides today, of course, being Everest, Dinosaur. I like the Jungle Safari.
Oh,
We got the new.
You mean the safari? It's not a jungle safari though, is it?
It's called Safari or something, right?
Yeah.
Safari.
Kilimanjaro safaris.
There it is. We also have the water ride, which sometimes you get pretty soaked on. I don't know if I want to get soaked.
Are we doing that?
Cali River Rapids.
Are we doing that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I think we'll decide when we get there. I mean, we've been on it once.
Years ago.
We didn't get soaked, but people like across from us did.
So there's
Like
so you're
soaked,
saying there's a chance.
like soaked. And I don't want to get soaked in this hot place. Animal Kingdom seems like the hottest place.
Yeah. So, anyways, not like we're already not drenched in our own sweat.
Right.
But,
I mean, it might cool you off for a while, but then you're out in this hot, humid heat. Triple H.
Yeah, my jean shorts might not like dry as much as I'd like them to.
All right.
Ugh. But
Nobody wants to come to Florida and get swamp crotch.
Oh my god. So we did get a fast pass to Everest and Dinosaur and to the new Pandora ride, the River Journey ride. It's like a boat ride. So
Should be pretty tame. I think it's mostly famous for its animatronics, right?
yeah.
And the
At the end.
colors.
Yeah, there's only one animatronic in it.
Oh, okay.
At the end.
I guess we'll find out.
I suppose, so they say. I don't know.
But of course, I'll shoot some more videos throughout the day, views, stuff we do,
Yeah.
any funny stories that come up.
Get this posted since Wi-Fi here is sketchy.
Yeah, we should probably post a message, let everyone know. No new videos until we get back.
We'll see.
Our fan will be upset. So that's it for today.
Yeah.
Not today, now.
Yeah.
We'll do a wrap up later.
Okay.
I think I'm still waking up. Yesterday was.
Open to close.
Yeah, and then doing Toy Story Mania 3 times in a row with that little gun game.
Well, 2 times in a row, and then we had our
I mean,
fast pass.
3 times overall, though.
Yeah.
I guess what I'm saying.
Man, I'm working on my guns.
Yeah, where's your arm out?
Yeah.
I'm not 16 anymore.
Okay, well, we're getting closer to the stop.
It's almost the same arm motions.
Oh my god.
All right, so we'll be back soon.
All
See
right.
you guys.
Bye.
All right, just got off the shuttle
Yep.
at
It's,
Disney's
8:05.
Animal Kingdom.
Yep.
We haven't quite got our groove together today. We keep talking over each other. Still waking up. If not better soon, she'll beat me. So I'll work on it for you,
Goodness.
yesterday birthday girl.
We're at the hottest place in the planet today.
Is it really?
I don't know. It's pretty hot here. Not right
They
now.
got a t-shirt inside that says, "This place is hotter than Satan's butthole."
Oh my god.
I guess we're gonna find out. Let me switch the camera around, show you guys what we're looking at on the way in. All right, the way in. Bunch of little courtesy trams right there. There's the front of the place. Bunch of strangers. They don't have to be strangers. Should we go meet them?
Oh my gosh.
No? No? All right. Wife didn't seem too thrilled about that, so we'll not do that.
No.
All right. All right. We got to go through security and bag check and all that fun stuff, but we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so to start the day off, what did we do?
We started the day off, we did Everest back to back to back. So 3 times in a row. We were thinking before we got here, like, let's do 4. No, 3 was good.
Either because we're tired, we're old, or we didn't have a whole lot of food in our belly.
I don't know, but the 3rd time wasn't bad or anything. It just was like 3 times we're good. We got a fast pass later, we're good.
Then we rode Dinosaur.
Yes.
Then we got a little bit of food in this, or we went Pocahontas.
Yep, we got a pretzel.
I wouldn't mind meeting Pocahontas more often.
She was very pretty.
And then we saw Finding Nemo.
Finding the Musical, yeah, which we hadn't seen in a while, like 6 years, the last time, and it's still a fantastic show. I love it.
And now we're stopping out for the Nomad Lounge.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna start off with those Asian barbecue chicken wings. And we're also going to have the house-smoked Wagyu brisket poutine.
Which she said is brand new, starting today, and it's fantastic. So, really excited.
So once we get the food, I'll shoot another quick video to show you what it looks like, and then I'll probably show, hopefully, a video of empty plates. Oh, and I got a beer on the way. Beer. All right, talk to you guys soon.
Bye.
Okay, food and drinks are here. First of all, what's your drink?
The Leaping Lizard.
Yeah, point towards me so you can see how it's supposed to look like a lizard.
Oh.
It looks like it's supposed to have like 2 eyes there.
And his little nose.
That's what they told us anyways. And I got Hefeweizen. I forget what it's called, Wagaloo or something.
I don't know. This is a really good drink.
And then we got, there's the wings and the Wagyu poutine.
Oh my gosh.
Don't eat too much or it'll be pooting your pants. Right now I feel like poutine is in my belly. I could do this all day.
Oh my gosh.
But I won't. I'm gonna eat. See you guys soon. Bye. Still glowing.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so Animal Kingdom did what it usually does to us.
Whoops our butts.
Kicked our hiney. It's hot. The whole place is hot. I'm not saying I didn't have fun. I had fun.
Oh, you had a good time. Yeah.
Like we said earlier, we hit up Everest 3 times in a row.
Yeah.
Don't know if I'll do that again. At least not on an empty stomach.
2 times back to back is good enough.
Yeah, that thing jerked me around more than I did with Anthony because he's a stepchild. Get over here.
Get over here.
Crowded. That
Oh my
Pandora
gosh.
Land is nuts.
All the people that were like getting in that side of the park when the park opened, and all the people, and then you see people running, and it's like, it's futile, people. Like, the line is already insane. I don't know what you're jogging, not jogging. I don't know, you're running.
They're in a
sprinting
hurry
over
to just stand in line.
Yeah, it's in craziness.
But we did get to ride the river ride.
Yep, River Journey. Yeah.
It was fun. It was very picturesque.
It was
it's
like-
a boat ride. I like boat
It
rides.
was like perfect amount. The temperature was perfect. Like, it was cool. It was very peaceful. It wasn't like freezing. Because don't get me wrong, I mean, it's hot out there. But there's some things we get into, and it was so cold in there that I felt like I needed a coat. And this was just perfect. It was peaceful, very. It was perfect.
We also saw
Mountains.
Finding Nemo the musical.
Yeah.
That's always fun.
Yeah.
We tried out the Nomad Lounge. We got video of that and
Which
pictures
is
of food.
our favorite.
That was fantastic.
That was amazing.
I would definitely hit that up again.
Yeah.
That was good times.
Worth it. The Leaping Lizard is an amazing cocktail.
And then we met up with your old neighbor,
Yeah.
childhood friend,
Yeah.
and I got to meet
Kevin.
their little boy, Eli,
Yes.
and his buddy, that dude from Kentucky.
You know what we're talking about.
It's quite interesting.
So it was so nice to meet Jesse and see Kevin. I think it's probably been since like 3rd or 4th grade. It was cool. So,
But yeah, that's our Animal Kingdom day.
yeah,
We'll be there again next week,
yeah.
sweating our buns off.
Oh man. So yeah. So there are a few things that we didn't hit up this time. We will definitely do when we're there.
Right, we'll hit those up next time. But tomorrow we're excited about. We opened the park. We did not close. We're back in our room. It's about 7:30.
Yeah.
So we stayed there till about 6:30.
6:30. Yeah, we got on the bus at 6:30.
Because we want to conserve some energy for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Magic Kingdom Day. Lots to do there.
Yes.
Probably lots to buy. Eat. We're trying a new restaurant tomorrow, Skipper's Canteen. Well,
Yeah.
new to us.
Yeah.
It's not like brand new. It's been around for.
It was late 2015 is when it opened. So we were there September 2015. So it was a few months after we left. And now it's open.
So new to us,
Yeah.
but it's been there. So we'll definitely have a video of that and more videos of us on our way to the park in the morning and so on. And then once we get the Wi-Fi thing situated, maybe tonight, maybe we'll finally get some videos uploaded. 'Cause I'm sure that 1 or 2 people are really waiting for them. Anyways, that's it for tonight. This is it for day 2 of the parks. Tomorrow's day 3 of 10. But we got to get some rest so we can be ready for day 3 and then day 4, Epcot Food and Wine, which I'm so freaking
I'm
excited about.
too.
So that's it for tonight.
Yes.
Stay tuned for more tall tales.
And short stories.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.